Hey guys, what's up? The summer has set in and grabe talaga ang init ng panahon ngayon. Kaya we are heading south to keep us cool and fresh. From Manila, we have traveled around 2 to 3 hours going to Lian, Batangas. We used a sedan and hatchback car para makapunta sa aming destinasyon. We are 9 in the group and kailangan namin sumakay ng bangka to get into Batalan Bato Beach Resort. The boat ride will take around 10 to 15 minutes. The entrance and boat ride is only 400 pesos. Paalis na yung other group sa resort kaya masasolo talaga namin yung place. We're here in the resort. The cottage original price is 2,000 pesos. Pero since kami lang yung guest, binigay na sa amin yung 2 cottages for only 1K. Sulit diba? Ang mabait pa ng mga caretaker dito. We have prepared our lunch and dinner. Nagplano na din kung anong gagawin namin next. The place is real nice, may spot na Instagrammable, aesthetic, and pwedeng mag-TikTok. Take note na may signal dito pero